Scope review demo and $2,997 bonus. Hey, what's up guys, this is Art from artofmarketingblog.com and this is my Scope review. Scope by Cheeseman, a brand new viral traffic software. Okay, so there are a bunch of traffic softwares out there. Some of them work better than others, but this one actually creates tons of viral traffic because it forces people to share whatever you want to share, your link, your squeeze page, your blog, whatever you need the traffic to. Okay, so I'm going to show you exactly how this works. I'm going to show you some examples. We're going to do a little demo, and as always I have a $3,000 bonus to it that will include multiple W's of the day courses, resellers licenses, additional software and plugins. So just a huge bonus to it, definitely the biggest bonus to it out there. So let me share my screen. So this is the sales page, and as you can see it says Scope, explosive new software unlocks free viral buyer traffic within minutes. Legally exploit 30 different traffic sources to build your list, build your authority, and drive commissions, then scale like never before. Okay, so this is all. This is the only guy behind this new product. You probably already know him. So 3 simple steps. I'm going to show you all of that in a second. Obviously he has some proof behind it of this working. Again, this is Cheeseman. So this is Scope by Cheeseman. Some more proof. Again, Scope, that's the name of this product, and this is my Scope review. Scrolling down here, 30 days money back guarantee. So guys, I'm not going to bore you to death with this. You can go through all of this in your own time. Let me show you the inside of the members area. This is what you're here for, right? So this is how it looks like. So there are actually 2 different things that you're gonna see inside the members area. Okay, so this is the dashboard where you have all of the stats. So as you can see, you have all of the social media on top right here, and you can see how many actual clicks and how many views you are getting from these. Okay, so you have Messenger, we have WhatsApp, Skype, WeChat, all of these different platform where people can actually chat with each other. And then once we're going to create a new campaign, this is how it looks like. Okay, so this is what you're gonna see after creating the campaign. Okay, so you're gonna have a link that you can share wherever you want. Obviously you're gonna get a QR code. This is for mobile, so you can share this wherever you want as well, and you can also email this to any email you want. Okay, so you just type in the email. So that's how you're gonna get this initial trickle of traffic, and then you are forcing people to share your page, share your offer, whatever you want to share. Okay, so as you can see, we have the timer right here. Now here on top I have typed in 50 off, but you can type in anything you want. You can add a banner, you can add a headline, whatever you want to add, you can add. Then we have the timer, so you can set this up to anything you want. Test promo, this is where you describe whatever you are giving away or selling or trying to get people to share. And as you can see, it says to claim this offer, please click the buttons below. So this is where you get all the traffic. So as you can see, people can share it, and you set it to how many times they have to share it. So you can share it just 1 time to get access, twice, 3 times, 5 times, totally up to you. And you're going to be getting traffic from Facebook, Blogger, Flipboard, LinkedIn, Google Mail, email, Reddit, Skype, Pinterest, Twitter, Tumblr, all of these social media platforms. And then as you can see, you can also get followers if you want to. So it's you can set it up in any way you want to. I've set it up right here on the bottom, as you can see. So people have to follow me on Instagram, on Reddit, and on YouTube if they want to unlock my gift. Okay, so this is how it looks like. And right now, going back to the Scope app, let me just click on promotion, and let's set up a new promotion. Okay, so this is how it looks like. Let's click on build a promotion, and I'm not going to be building anything right now, but in a nutshell, all you have to do is just go through these 5 steps. So what is the promotion called? So let's name it whatever, test. We click on next. What is the promotion preview? So what you're giving away. Let's click on next. What is the promotion content? Again, you type in whatever you want. This is where you decide on what people are sharing and how many times. Okay, so people gonna be using these social networks. You can do 1, 2, or 3 times. Do you include follow buttons? Yes or no, totally up to you. And then include contact form? Yes or no. And as you can see, you can do this via social share, social follow, social refer, and social rewards. Okay, so if you want to build followers instead of get traffic, you can do that too. And the last option, as you can see, what are the promotion options? So we're gonna show the timer, delete after 24 hours. You can click to show stats to people that are sharing, and you can also check out Google Analytics. So this is how it looks like. Now I'm not going to be creating this promotion, but essentially once you submit it, this is what you see. So again, we have the link right here. You can view the link promotion. And again, this is how it looks like, and then you can start sharing it all over the web. So you will need that initial trickle of traffic, but with that being said, you can just share it on your Facebook wall or send it via email to someone, and then you're going to start to get ball rolling. Okay, so this is how it works. Again, this is what the people that you will be sending it to will start seeing, and once you're going to send it to 3 to 5 people, once they're gonna start sharing, more and more people will see it, and it just creates a snowball effect. And again, you're gonna be getting traffic and also social media followers, which is perfect. So this is how it looks like. And right now, let's check out the pricing. Okay, so as you can see, scope will be $14.95, super low price on this. You can generate massive amounts of traffic with this, so an amazing price. Then we have 4 one-time offers. Let me tell you the price, and then we will see exactly what each one is. So offer number 1, $67. OTO number 2, $97. OTO number 3, $97 as well. OTO number 4, $67. And OTO number 5, $197. And right here on my blog, as always, guys, I have a full written review. This will include the funnel. So again, OTO number 1 for $67. This is the unlimited version. Okay, so with the main product, you do have some limitations. You are removing all of the limitations with OTO number 1. OTO number 2 is a massive done for you package, which essentially saves you time and gets you directly to profits. So that's OTO number 2. OTO number 3, traffic. So if you're obviously going to be able to generate viral traffic with this, but you do need this initial trickle of traffic. Plus, the more traffic you can get, the more money you'll make. And this is a massive traffic package that will just allow you to get even more traffic. OTO number 4, reseller's license. You know the drill. You get to sell Scope as your own product, and you keep 100% of the profits on the whole funnel. Okay, so all 6 products. And the last one is $197, Scope OTO number 5, and this is coaching from Al. So if you're interested in coaching, this is definitely a great option for a not too expensive price. So guys, as always, again, I have a full written review, and this will include all of these bonuses I got for you. So let me just mention that Scope goes live at 9 a.m. Eastern on April 26th. You're gonna get all of these bonuses from me for free if you'll decide to pick it up from my link. To pick it up from my link, just click on one of these blue links from my blog. So if you're watching me on YouTube right now, you can click on the first link in the description to go to my blog, or the second link in the description to go directly to the sales page. Now the link to the sales page will only start working after Scope goes live. So again, 9 a.m. Eastern on April 26th. First of all, I'm going to give you 3 custom-made bonuses, and these are 3 different ways to generate traffic. Okay, so you will need that initial trickle of traffic to get the ball rolling with Scope. This is how you get it. So I created 3 custom-made bonuses about traffic, so you know exactly what to do and how to get that initial traffic. Okay, now you can also sell that traffic anywhere you want to, on sites like Fiverr or SEO Clerks or freelancers. So I'm going to show you exactly how to do it with 3 of my top selling Fiverr courses: Fiverr Income Secrets, Fiverr Masterclass, and Riser. I got some additional traffic courses and flipping courses. So you're gonna get newbie traffic formula, Flip Me Income Booster, reseller's license to Flip Me, urgent arbitrage cash, easy arbitrage profits, Blaze, tube traffic avalanche, case study on free traffic, and a huge package of additional software and plugins: Affiliate Advantage plugin, Giant Plugin Biz, sales page writing software, Squeeze Page Creator, True Tags, iAsk, Popbox, Sales Bar, Shortcode Call to Action, Authority Traffic Masters, Facebook Live Reaction, Azon Press, Phazon, Vid Builder, Press Play, Image and Video Commenter, Social Auto Poster, Slick Pop, VidBot, Responsive Slider, YouTube Video Gallery, Pinterest Portfolio, Post Grid, Post Widget, and WordPress Courses plugin. That's a total of 40 bonuses, guys. But I'm not done, because you are also getting my mega bonus, and my mega bonus is a total of 45 plus W's of the day and product of the day awarded courses. My mega bonus alone is worth $1,500, and that's why the total value of this bonus package is $2,997. Guys, you're gonna get all of these bonuses for free, and as you see, this is not some invented value. This is an actual value that you would have to spend if you would like to buy all of these W's of the day awarded courses and plugins and software. Okay, so this is a real world value. And as always, guys, I have a full written review ready for you, so you can go through it. As well as watching this review video, I'm going to have a full demo both on my blog and on my YouTube channel, a part of this review video. And let's sum up this scope review right now. So you know, this is a never seen before viral snowballing method. So there are similar apps or software out there, but this is a cool 5-step process that allows you to both get traffic and also followers. So this is different with Scope. Newbie friendly, a one-time fee, so you don't have to pay anything monthly, no hidden costs. Works in any niche, obviously. 100% free traffic and followers, and you're gonna get clear step-by-step tutorials as well, so on how to use it and how to make money with it. What I don't like about Scope, the only thing I don't like, is that you do have to generate that initial trickle of traffic to make it work. But with that being said, 3 of my custom-made bonuses to Scope will show you exactly how to do it. So I fixed that problem. Guys, before you go, let me show you how to claim my bonus. After you'll decide to pick up Scope through my link, all you have to do is go to your purchase history on Warrior Plus. So while being on Warrior Plus, go to click on your icon on the top right corner, go to purchase history, find Scope amongst your purchases and click on it. And below the button that says click to access your purchase, you should see another button saying bonuses from Art. This is how you get it. You don't have to send me emails or receipts. It is all done for you automatically. And again, guys, Scope goes live on the 26th of April at 9 AM Eastern. Make sure to pick it up with my link to get all of these bonuses. And if you have any questions, please leave me a comment under this YouTube video. Please like this video on YouTube, and please also subscribe to this channel for more review videos just like this one. Art signing out, and I'll see you shortly in the next review video. Ciao.